Okay, now we're going to make chicken taliwang. What we need is dry chili, fresh chili, hot chili, or we call bird eye, candle nuts, palm sugar. Okay, this is what we have to make for the ayam taliwang or chicken taliwang, yeah. So this we going to put this in the mortar or in the blender, yeah, and it will be like this. Now we going to fry for the chicken first, yeah. In here we use the coconut oil. You have to check if this temperature is okay, it's hot already, it's enough. Now you going to fry for the chicken. Then we're going to put salt, we're going to put the black pepper, we fry already for the chicken. Now I'm going to add the paste. We mix it like this. Can you smell that? We like it. You have to try. And I'm going to add the coconut, yeah. This is, you can use the fresh coconut, you can use the coconut cream, or now we can find any coconut like in the powder as well. So much easier for you. With the powder you can just add some water, and with the cream no need to use the water. Yeah, it will be like this. Now I'm going to put this to make garnish, to make nicely. Okay, then this we put the cucumber, okay. Ta-da! Chicken taliwang.